This video is made by Mr. Muffet Fans Video. Clovis Wong Presents. Classic Caillou makes the ambulance siren noise / grounded. And was inspired by Catboy 2001. I wonder what should I do today since it's almost the end of 2022. What was that noise? Was the house on fire? Or did someone call the cops? Where is it coming from? Classic Caillou, was that you made the noise? Well yes, I made the noise for fun. But I don't understand how or why you made the siren noise, and I hate it. Oh alright then, I will keep making the noise when they are coming. Classic Caillou, stop making the ambulance siren noise, it's getting so annoying. And we are going to shopping. Can you stop make the noise? What did I say? Stop it! Classic Caillou, if you keep making the ambulance siren noise one more time, I will slap you and ground you. Oh, that's it slapped. Ouch! Why did you slap me? That's because you made the annoying ambulance siren noise in front of me, and for making the ambulance siren noise in front of me, you are grounded until 2023 starts on January 1st. Go to your room right now and be ashamed of yourself. What should I do now? Looks like someone is here.
Hello, what can I help you?
Can I visit Classic Callous bedroom?
Okay, that's free, you vote.
Okay.
Woo woo woo. Woo woo woo.